Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCat. In this tutorial we will learn about the while loop with an example. And in this example we will ask the user to enter the correct guess, and if the guess is incorrect it will automatically ask the user again to enter the guess again unless the user enters the correct number, and the code then terminates. So let's begin. So I have created a new project in Visual Studio, and this is the default program. So we will write our program in this main block. So first we will declare two variables with integer data type. One is going to be the guess, which the user will enter, and one is going to be the secret, which we will predefine. So secret number is going to be 12, right? And then there should be a line which should be displayed to the user to enter the secret number. So I'm writing here console.writeLine, and this is used to display something on the screen. So I'm writing enter the secret number between 0 and 20. And since we don't know how many times the user will take to enter the correct number between 0 and 20, that's why we are using the while loop. So while loop will be used if the user enters the incorrect number. So guess is not equal to secret number, right? And this is the block of the while loop. So in the while loop I'm taking the user input, because whenever the user will enter the incorrect number, we want the user to try again immediately. So we are displaying enter your guess, right? And since this is a user input, so I am writing here console.readLine, which is used to take the user input, and this user input will be stored in the guess variable. And since the data type of the guess variable is integer, so we have to write here convert dot to int32, so that the value that the user will be entering will be converted as integer data type. So now there is a condition after the user input. If the guess is incorrect, so it should be displayed that your guess is incorrect. So I'm writing here console.writeLine, and here I want to display to the user that you have entered the incorrect guess. So this is wrong guess, and we also want the user to try again. And since this if block is checking that the value is incorrect, so I am writing here if user's guess is incorrect, right? And now I am out of the block of the while loop, right? Which is if user's guess is correct, then it should be displayed to the user that your guess is correct. So I'm writing here console.writeLine, and I'm writing here in between these inverted commas, correct, your guess is correct, right? And now let's run this program, and here it is. It says that enter the secret number between 0 and 20. So the user has, for example, entered the incorrect value, so it displays wrong guess, try again. And we don't know how many times the user will enter the incorrect value. That's why we have used the while loop. And say whenever the user will enter the correct value, the code will then terminate. So that is basically the use of the while loop which we have learned in this tutorial. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.